Hello kids, good morning all. Today we are continuing our sixth chapter. The chapter name is Every Drop Counts. In last video we saw that the rain harvesting system, right? Then about Al-Biruni, a traveler. Okay? Then about step wells, bawdis, tankas, right? So we saw different types of lakes, step wells, johards. Now we will continue the reading. Long ago, people used to make long journeys with their caravans of animals and goods. People felt it was a good thing to give water to thirsty travelers. Thus, they built many beautiful step wells. Now, there are some questions. Have you ever faced a shortage of water in your area? If yes, then what was the reason for it? Talk to your grandmother or any elderly person. Find out when they were of your age. So for these questions, you have to talk to your grandmother, grandfather or elderly persons and discuss the answer. Then from where did they get water for the house? Has there been a change now? You can find out. What kind of water arrangements were made for travelers? For example, piyau, mashak, which means leather bag or any other. Now, what do people do about water then they travel? Now, let us see what kind of water arrangements were made for travelers in those days. Earlier, kings and rich merchants used to build piyau for travelers. Drinking water was served for free at these piyaus. Many stone carvings are also made near the place of drinking water. See, these all are called piyaus. People also used to carry mashak, which was a leather bag used to store water. And nowadays, people usually purchased packed drinking water or carry their own water bottles. Now, let us learn about traditional rainwater harvesting in Uttarakhand. Even today, people get water from very old lakes, dharas, step wells, and nolas. Many customs and festivals are related to water. At some places, whenever lakes get filled up with rainwater, the people gather around the lake to celebrate. You have learnt about old lakes and step wells. Now, what are naulas and dharas? Naula Dhara is the water lifeline of Uttarakhand. Naula is perhaps the most unique water storage system in Uttarakhand. It is a small structure with the roof which houses are naturally occurring underground springs and has steps that lead down to the underground spring. They are known as water temples in Uttarakhand. You can see in the picture. A common source of drinking water in Uttarakhand is the Dhara. It is essentially a drinking water fountain. Water from springs and other sources is canaled out through carved outlets in the shape of the either a simple pipe or animal face mask. You can see in this picture. See the bride of Uttarakhand in this picture. After getting married, she has come to the new village. She bows to the spring or the pond. In cities, one can see an interesting form of this custom. The new bride worships the tap in her home. Can we even imagine life without water? No. Now, do you have some special pots for water at your place? Look, water is being filled in this beautiful copper pot. The shining yellow pot of brass is seen in the other picture. Many stone carvings are also made near the place of drinking water. Have you ever seen any beautiful building near the place of water, and where? So discuss it. You can see in this picture shining yellow pots of brass, copper, right? So look, these are so beautiful. So find out. This is a activity for you. So let's read. Is there a lake, well or step well near your house or school? Visit it and find out more about it. And write down the questions under it. First is, how old is it? Who got it built? What kinds of buildings are around it? Is the water clean? Is it cleaned regularly? Who all use the water? Is there any festival celebrated at this place? Is there any water today, or is it dry? So you have to find out the answers. If you already visited any place, then you have to write down the answers in your notebook. Otherwise, you can search from the Google. Think over it. In 1986, there was no rain in Jodhpur and the surrounding areas. People remembered the old and forgotten stepwell, that is Bauli. They cleaned the stepwell and more than 200 trucks of garbage was taken out of it. People of the area collected money. The thirsty town got water from the stepwell. After a few years, it rained well and again the stepwell was forgotten. So, how beautiful it is. So, all people came together to clean the stepwell and then they collected water for all people. So, we will continue this chapter in our next video.